Welcome. In this video I will show you how to undo on Windows. So first of all, there are some certain kinds of actions that you cannot undo on your Windows. For example, permanently deleting a file. But generally, if you just accidentally moved a file to a different directory or just moved it to the recycle bin, in such case you can easily undo this action by using the combination of CTRL and Z buttons pressed simultaneously on your keyboard. So if you press these two buttons simultaneously while after clicking on the directory on which you want to undo something, you will actually undo the last action that you made. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.